Acts chapter 28. After we don reach land and nobody die, we come hear say na Malta dem dey call the island. The people wey dey stay for there treat us well. They make fire for us because rain don start to dey fall and cold dey catch us. When Paul dey gather plenty stick make he put inside the fire, one snake wey dem dey call viper come out because of the heat come put him mouth for Paul hand. When the people wey dey stay there see say the snake put him mouth for Paul hand, they come dey tell themselves,
e be like say this man hand no clean. Even though he no die inside sea, hand don still touch am for here.
But Paul shake the snake comot from him hand enter the fire and nothing do am at all. But dem dey think say him body go swell up or he go fall for ground die. So after dem don wait for some time come see say nothing happen to am, dem come change mind say,
Paul na God.
that time for that area, Publius wey be the oga get some land. He welcome us come give us food for 3 days. Publius papa come get fever and him belle dey pain am. Paul go see am come heal am. After this don happen, many people wey no well for there come still come and he heal them. Dem come dey praise us well well, and when we wan go, dem give us everything wey we need. After we don dey there for 3 months, we come enter ship from Alexandria wey stop for the island for cold time, and sign wey dey the ship front na twins god. We stop for Syracuse come stay there for 3 days. From there, we come reach Rhegium, and after 1 day, one calm breeze from south come start to dey blow, and the second day, we come reach Puteoli. For there, we see some brothers and dem come beg us to stay with them for 7 days. Na so we take reach Rome. When the brothers from Rome hear about us, dem waka until dem reach Appius Forum and the 3 taverns come meet us. When Paul see them, he thank God and the thing come make him heart strong well well. When he enter Rome, they allow Paul stay in own house with the soldiers wey dey guide am. After 3 days, Paul call all the Jew people or gather them together. When dem don gather, he come tell them,
My people, even though I no do anything against our people or our grandpapa dem tradition, from Jerusalem na im dem turn me to prison and come carry me give Rome people. When dem don question me, dem wan release me because dem no see anything wey go make dem kill me. But when the Jew people no gree make dem free me, the thing come make me say I wan go Rome make Caesar for judge my case. No be because I get anything wey I dey complain against my people. Because of this, I come say I wan see and follow una talk first say na because of the hope wey Israel get, na im make dem use this chain tie my hand so.
The people answer,
Dem no send us any letter about you from Judea, and no one for our brothers don come from there come say you dey do bad things.
But we go like to hear wetin you dey teach from your own mouth, because we know say everybody for the whole world dey take mouth condemn this group wey you dey inside.
dem come gree for the day when dem go meet am, and dem plenty wey come in house come meet am. So from morning till evening, Paul come dey explain things give dem, and dey try to show dem wetin Moses law and the prophets talk about Jesus Christ. Some of dem believe wetin he talk, but some no believe. So dem come go, but dem no gree among themselves after Paul say,
The word wey the Holy Spirit talk through prophet Isaiah na true say, una go meet and tell these people say, una go dey hear, but una no go understand. Una go dey look, but una no go fit see. Una heart no dey understand. Una ear no dey hear well again. Devil don close una eye make una no for fit see, hear with una ears, or understand with una heart, so that una no go fit turn come meet God make e for heal una. So make una know say this salvation wey God bring, dem don carry am go meet Gentile people because dem go accept am.
when he talk finish, the Jew people come live there dey vex among themselves. So for 2 full years, Paul stayed there for him own house where he rent, and he welcome all the people wey come meet am, come dey tell them about God kingdom. He teach them with strong heart about Oga Jesus Christ, and nobody fit stop am.